Hey everybody, this is Matt with NorCal Screen Print Supply. Today we're going to be showing you how to print with Permaset Supercover directly on black shirts. Print flash print yields you a really good product, nice and bright, very soft. Let's do it. Okay, and so whenever we're not actively printing, we're going to leave our screen in the flooded position, ink covering the entire image area so you can't see the image through the ink. You want to make sure that there's plenty of ink covering, nice thick layer to keep your screen nice and hydrated. Now that we're flashed, and on this we have our belt speed set at about 11, so very slow. The other thing we have here is the gates are all the way in the up position. You want to do this so that all of the water vapor that is going to be expelled from the ink can escape from the tunnel and not be locked in the tunnel and rehydrate the ink. This ink is spec'd at 330 for about 3 minutes, so our tunnel is only about 4 foot. So as soon as it comes out, I'm going to grab it and immediately throw it right back through the tunnel, so 2 times through. Make sure our belt speed's set. Make super sure that this is staying wet. Anytime you leave it, you want to make sure that it's being hydrated and it doesn't want to dry out on you. And this ink is like, you can compare it to house paint. When it hits the air, it's going to want to start to dry on you. So clogging the mesh and screen hardening for your emulsion and the hydration of the ink. Now, when it does come time for cleanup, we're basically going to save all this ink. And when we've got all the ink off, we're going to wash our screen with just water. This stuff really cleans very easily. Solvent-free, water cleaning only, so just gentle hose pressure, and this stuff will clean right up. Let's go. If you do get tough areas, just use your hand or other non-abrasive. Blue Scott shop towel, t-shirt, like any non-abrasive product. And there, that's pretty good. You don't have to eat off of it again. This is clean enough for you to print your next color. So the other thing you want to do when you get this through the conveyor, make sure it's cured, is just give it a gentle stretch test. You don't want to see any cracking. That looks good. You always want to test it on the edges of the design that are the farthest out from the middle of the conveyor dryer where there's the most heat. Looks great. The thing I love about this stuff is how just flowing and easily it's moving. Feels like you're hardly wearing it on the shirt, and it's super bright. So direct print on black, amazing bright red, Permaset Supercover. Available at NorCal Screen Print Supply. Cool, so you checked out the video. If you guys are interested in checking out the Permaset Supercover, go ahead and visit our website, www.norcalsps.com. Give us a call or visit our showroom. Awesome ink, give it a try.